Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will learn new topic about articles. Article a, an and the. So we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. From that, 5 are vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And the other letters are consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonant. Now see the articles a, an, and the are determiners and used before nouns, and sometimes we use articles before adjectives. Okay. Now where we use article a or an, we use the articles a or an before nouns. Okay. We use the articles a and an for singular noun, for singular person, for singular place, for singular animal, and for single thing. Okay. See where we use article a means article a. We use a before nouns that begin with consonant sound. So we put article a not on the actual letter, the word it is beginning. We put an article on the sound of beginning letter. Okay, so we use a before noun that begins with consonant sound. For example, a cup, a cup, a pen. Why we put a before pen? Because P is consonant. So we have to put a before consonant. A rabbit, a rabbit. Now see article an. Where we use article an? We use an before nouns that begins with vowel sound. Okay. For example, an apple, an apple, an aunt, an aunt, an eagle, an eagle. Now see some exceptions for articles a and an. Now see some exceptions for articles a and an. We use a or an when we talk about a noun for the first time. Okay. Now let's see some exceptions for articles a and an. We use a or an when we talk about a noun for the first time. A or an are indefinite articles. A or an are indefinite articles. See, the use of articles a or an depends on the opening sound of the word, not on the actual letter with which it begins. Now see some rules. Rule: consonant H having vowel sound. Somewhere consonant H having vowel sound. For example, N, R having vowel sound A. So we put an before R, before H. As in second example, you can see a hat. A hat. Here H is having consonant sound H. So now we will put a hat. Okay. So sometimes we put the articles a or an on sound, not on the actual letter with which in it begins. Okay? Now see some example. Vowel U having consonant sound. This is the next rule. Vowel U having consonant sound. For example, a uniform. A uniform. A uniform. So you. Here you having the consonant sound Y. So we put a before uniform. In second example, an umbrella. An umbrella. Here U is having vowel sound A. U is having vowel sound A. So we put an before umbrella. Okay, so these are the rules. From that we can put a or an before the nouns. See where we use article the. The word the is used before a noun to refer to a particular person, place or thing. When we refer to a particular person, place or thing, so we use article the. The is called definite article. The is called the definite article. For example, the tree. So here we put the before tree. Why? Because we are talking about a particular tree. Okay? Now see, we use the when we talk about that noun for the second time. जो नाउन हम पहले यूज करें, अगर हम उस नाउन को दोबारा रिपीट करते हैं, then we will use the. Okay? When we talk about that noun for the second time, so we use the. My aunt lives in a village. The village is near a forest. The forest has many trees. So in this, we talk about the noun, that noun for the second time. That's why we use the in this sentence. Now see, we also use the before some proper noun. Proper noun are the special name of a person, place, animal or thing. The is used before the name of oceans and seas. For example, Arabian Sea, Andaman, Nicobar, rivers and mountains. We can put the before rivers and mountains. The Ganga, the Mount Everest. We can put the before famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. See, we use the before the name of the holy books. For example, the Holy Quran, the Bible. See, we use the before the things that are only one of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon and the stars are the things that are only one of their kind. So we use the before these things. See, this is all about articles a, and the. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.